Hi, my name is Tom Stewart and I'm CEO of Castle Keepers House Cleaning. I want to take a minute and explain how the typical house cleaning service is structured and runs and what makes Castle Keepers unique. The typical house cleaning business runs independently, and everything that has to happen to make a cleaning business run is all done under that roof in that one location. Most of your franchises run this way. Certainly, most of your independents run this way, where each individual branch is doing its own recruiting, it's doing its own marketing, it's doing its own payroll, all of its accounting, all of its sales, yada, 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 yada. All those things have to happen in order for a house cleaning service to, you know, have trained, capable cleaning professionals and to have customers to clean for. Castle Keeper's model is different. Now, we've been in business for over 20 years, but a number of years ago, we came to the conclusion that if we could develop our software in a way to allow us to do business in multiple locations and centralize activities, we could be more efficient, we could get better outcomes, and we could build a company that could be large and create a lot more value for everybody who works in it than what you would be able to if you were just working in the old traditional model. Let me show you a little bit what it looks like. Um, this is what we call our heat map flow chart. And just let's focus up here at the top. These are various processes that it takes to run a house cleaning business. You got to find people who want to clean homes. You have to you're basically recruiting cleaning professionals and just team members as a whole. You're evaluating and you're hiring some of them and you're training them. At the same time, you're marketing and advertising for homes to clean, and some of them you sell and turn into customers, and then you have to keep them happy. You got some stuff down here where you got equipment and supplies and vehicles and so forth, but you take uh, the cleaning professionals that you've recruited, hired, and trained. You take the clients who have homes that have turned into customers, and you take the supplies and equipment and so forth, and you put them all together in a schedule. You dispatch teams every day, and you clean. That's basically the workflow for any cleaning business, any house cleaning business. Down here, you got all these support processes, and you pay taxes, you've got all your human resources stuff, you got all your accounting stuff, your payroll, blah, blah, blah. At the top of each one of these processes, there's a bar. One end is red and the other end is blue. So what that means is if the arrow is down in the red, we look at those as activities that we can centralize, take out of the branch level, and have somebody in a centralized way do it for all branches. So currently, Michonne, some of you know Michonne, she does our recruiting for all of the branches, and the hiring and evaluation is kind of split 50-50 between the support center and the branch. The training happens a lot more at the branch level. Same with the marketing and sales. The support center handles that. That's Rebecca and her team. We've got Sakina, we've got Dawn, and Sarah actually out of Atlanta has been helping us with that recently as well. So when we started looking at centralizing activities, there was a time when we thought that everybody would be working in Charleston, our home office, for that, but we're finding that with the technology and the tools that we're using, that people can perform support center activities by being out, in different locations. Hillary, who's in Greenville, for instance, does the scheduling and dispatching, or is heavily involved in that for Dayton, for instance. So we're centralizing it, but we're doing it in kind of a decentralized way. Um, there's a lot to it. The software, well, we call it Castle Quick. We market it as Made Central to other cleaning business owners, and we've got cleaning businesses all over the country that are using the software that we're building for our platform company to run their companies as well. And there's kind of a synergy there that it's a win-win, and it's helping us, it's helping them, and in total, we're all working together to professionalize the industry and create better opportunities and better jobs for all of our team members, and provide better service to all of our clients, and help the community and all of our stakeholders. So that's the logic behind what we're doing. It's unique. Nobody else out there is doing it. And I just wanted all of our team members here at Castle Keepers to know that, because we're doing something special. And I want to just thank what you guys are doing, because you're out there every day making it happen. And there's a lot of purpose behind that that goes above and beyond maybe what you see every day. So hopefully this gives us a little better insight of what we're doing, and hopefully you find this useful. And we'll do this again soon. Thanks.